Okay guys, so I am in Lalitpur guys. One amazing city here.
Yes, I'm from Kathmandu, by the way.
Oh, you're from Kathmandu?
Yeah.
Okay, what is so unique about this place, Lalitpur?
Yeah, this is you are actually here at the Lalitpur. This place and this place is famous for the temples, you know.
Okay, yeah.
Krishna Mandir, Krishna Temple. So many cultural heritage site and historic buildings, you know.
Here, huh?
Yeah.
Labim Mall. Yeah, inside the Labim Mall, and it's my first time. Yo guys, I'm inside Nepali tuk-tuk guys. The Nepal tuk-tuk is so different here. Not like the Indian one. It's so much of a space available inside here guys. Like minimum it take almost to 12 members because here it can take 10 people. With the driver it might take 2 people and it's so comfortable. This is the first time experience of Nepali tuk-tuk. So we just passed through Kathmandu heading to Lalitpur guys. We are going to Lalitpur, we are going to explore that city guys. Okay guys, hello Nepal. Peace out, peace from Africa guys. So I am in Lalitpur guys, exploring the beauty, the city of Lalitpur, and I was just from the Buddhanath Stupa temple guys. I came from there just recently and I'm just going nearby one mall here. They call it Loving Mall. Yeah, this is the view of the city guys. Wow, it looks nice and fresh. There is one amazing building here and it's my first time to be in the city guys. Beside here we have some street food beside here. So far so good guys. I already tried a lot of Nepali food and some Tibetan food. Yeah, I'm just so amused by the view. This is like kind of is it like a park? Look like a park, but not park. From there, another look of Buddhanath Stupa, but that's not the real temple guys. So this side also we have a mini temple here. There is a mini temple here, but it's like closed. Yeah. The city is so clean guys, smart city, so clean and not that much noisy guys, not that much noisy. Yeah. I just want to move around guys and show you how the city look like and what is so unique about the place here. Okay. There is one thing guys, I just found it so different like in Nepal here because I came from India guys. Like in India, like foreigners or we can say Africans, when we are in India we get so much of attention guys, but in Nepal it's totally different. It's totally different guys. Attention means like suppose now I'm vlogging, right? I'm vlogging in Nepal here, moving around. Like if I find people like in India everyone want to talk to you, everyone want to click selfie with you. Like but here is the opposite guys. Here there is no much attention. Like the Nepal people, no one even like bother about you, and everyone is just like it's okay, they see you but it's like chill. No one even think of yeah, you understand, no one even want to click selfie or to talk much with you. But in India, just know for African people guys, like for African people or the foreign people in India guys, like we feel like we are celebrity. Like we feel like we are celebrities in India guys. Like because everyone want to click photo with you, to have selfie with you, and we feel so unique there. But here it's different, it's opposite guys. This is what is opposite about Nepal, but you just have to know that every country us its own unique way, guys. But yeah, Nepal is different, but what I see similar also. What I see similar about them is like when it comes into religious, yeah, because Nepal and India mostly are Hindu people, guys, and they also do have other religion. But yeah, it's nice, guys. It's around evening, almost 4 in the evening, guys, and Nepal is different 15, like it's different 15 minutes from India, yeah, in hours. Yeah, that is what is different. I love it, and it's my first time now in this city, guys, Lalitpur. So guys, I just also knew that like India currency is more higher here in Nepal, because when I came to Nepal I was carrying the Indian rupees, guys. So here like 100 Indian rupee is equivalent to 1.5, like 150 or 160 Nepali rupees, guys. So yeah, this is a good advantage for people coming from India or Indian people. If you carry Indian rupees to Nepal, your money will be little higher, guys. Yeah. And also I just got water. I thought maybe because since in India water is 20 rupees, so it might be also more costly than that, but it's equivalent. Water also here is with 20 rupees. But just know that things like dress, I found out that like things like dress here in Nepal, the clothes and the shoes, they are little costly, guys. They are more costly compared to India. Like in India, the dress. In India, the dress, the clothing are not that much costly compared to Nepal, guys. Yeah, in Nepal, dress are costly. Yeah, that is the only difference here. So I am in brother. There is mall here. It's which way?
Yes, there is
this way.
Mall. Come.
Okay, yeah.
I will take
Loving
you.
mall. Yeah,
It's
thank
Loving
you.
Mall. It is very good mall, no?
Yeah.
You
You're
are
okay?
You're
okay to be in the video?
Yeah. You're in YouTube channel.
Yes, I'm
Which
YouTuber. Gabs, my name. Gabs.
Spelling?
Yeah, Gabs, Gabi.
Oh yeah. Hello everyone, please subscribe to Gabs
yeah,
channel.
Gabs, yeah.
He's very good YouTuber, yes. You know?
Your name?
Yes, my name is Sandesh Pokhrel.
Sandesh from Nepal only, huh?
Yes, I am from here and
This place they said is Lalitpur.
Lalitpur, yes, this is Lalitpur. That is Lalitpur, main administrative office of Lalitpur.
Okay.
Lalitpur Metropolitan is there.
You are from this place only, no?
Yes, I am from Kathmandu, by the way.
Oh, you're from Kathmandu.
Yeah.
Okay, what is so unique about this place, Lalitpur?
Yeah, you are actually here at the Lalitpur this place, and this place is famous for the temples, you know.
Okay, yeah.
Krishna Mandir, Krishna Temple, so many cultural heritage site and historic buildings, you know.
Here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, I came from Buddhanath.
Buddhanagar. You go from
Buddhanath Stupa.
Buddhanath Stupa, yeah, there is.
I came.
So both of you from
I came from Buddhanath Stupa to this place. So there is a lot of more temple behind here, no?
Temples, yeah, you can go. So many foreigners also they were coming to visit the temple only.
Down there?
Down. You can go by walking only.
Oh, by walking
really
only?
beautiful place.
How long is it? How many minutes by walking?
10 minutes or 5 minutes.
Okay. No problem. Thank you. Yeah.
And this is lovely.
This city is little nice.
Yeah, it is really
It's nice and clean. Yeah. It's nice. First time in Nepal.
Yes. You're from?
Yeah, I'm from Africa, South Sudan.
South Sudan?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Thank you, brother. Then I'll be going here. This is the mall, right?
Did you say in YouTube channel name?
Gabs, Gabi.
Gabs Gabi.
Gabs Gabi. That's it.
Everyone, please subscribe to Gabs Gabi.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank
Okay,
you,
brother.
I will
Thank you.
subscribe you as well.
Thank you. Bye. Yeah. Loving Mall. Yeah. Inside the Loving Mall, and it's my first time.